Go.
Thanks for clicking on the button on our website. My name is Rich Manietta. I am the president of R.J. Manietta CPAs, located in Naperville, Illinois. I like to think of myself as the inspirational leader of a band of terrific professionals. I want to take a minute of your time. I'm not going to sell you anything. I'm just going to share some information with you. I'm going to tell you a little bit about us. We are a local accounting firm. We do about 595 individual tax returns. We do about 70 trusts, partnerships, not-for-profits, 150 condominium and homeowner association returns, and around 90 for-profit corporate returns. We do all this between January and April. And while we're doing this, people will ask me a question. Well, we know you're busy right now. What do you do the rest of the year? And my response is always the same. Am I glad you asked? Let me tell you about us, because we are the premier accounting, bookkeeping, and QuickBooks provider firms in the Chicagoland area. And they look at me with this blank stare and they say, how could that possibly be? You're just a small but mighty firm in Naperville. Right, so let me explain. Let me tell you about how double entry accounting was created. The father of accounting was an Italian monk named Luca Pacioli. He created double entry accounting in 1494. Luca was a brilliant mathematician, a best friend of Leonardo da Vinci, an advisor to popes. So in his time, Luca was the man. But after doing some research, what I discovered was we are direct descendants of Luca Pacioli. Having done all the DNA, so from a DNA standpoint, Luca and me, we're right there. So what better way to provide accounting services but then from a direct descendant of the father of accounting? What does that mean to you? Well, one of the things it means to you is that you need to think of what this concept. You need to do what you're successful. Do what you're really good at, and then you'll be successful. So that's what we do. But let me share a story with you that will take this another step. My daughter bought a house. And she lived in the house for a while, and I said to her, Margie, I don't quite like this pantry that you've got in the kitchen. It's got these metal shelves. I said, would you be okay if I redid it? And she said, sure, Dad, whatever you think. And as she was walking away, she shook her head. And I was wondering, did she know something that I didn't know? Okay. So I went about my business, and I did a great job on this pantry. Unfortunately, it took me 3 trips to Ace Hardware and 8 trips to Home Depot until I finally got it done. And when it was all done, it was a pretty good job. I must admit that. Pretty good job. But I got to tell you something. As a carpenter, I'm a great accountant. So the question you have to ask yourself is, as an accountant or a bookkeeper, are you really much better at what you do than being that? So ask yourself, and be honest. Come on, you can lie to me, but you can't lie to yourself. So what I want to share with you today is, in conclusion, do what you really do well and let us do for you what we really do well. Because what we see too many times is business owners and people stepping over $100 bills, that means not doing what they do well, to pick up pennies, which means saving money on their bookkeeping and accounting. So my suggestion to you is take a look, see what you do, and try not to step over those $100 bills to pick up pennies. Talk to us. Give us a call. Send us an email. Let us help you. And when you do contact us, we are going to send you our free little pamphlet on An Old Guy's Guide to Success in Life, Business, and Love. So again, give us a holler. We appreciate it. Bye now.